keep your feet on the floor and sit up. Okay? Here we go for 20. 1, 2,
Takes balance.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it going. Come on. 8. If you need to, put your feet down. 9, 10. Also, you can add a weight here. 1, 2. Feel that core working. 3, that full range of motion. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. 9,